Hello, myself Shourdeep Roy, lecturer of Mechanical Engineering Department, Kingston Education Institute, Barashat, India. In this pressing situation where the whole world is fighting against coronavirus epidemic and situation, then the teaching community has proven themselves yet again a desirable aspect on this community. In Kingston Education Institute, we thrive to impart knowledge on the students via our new e-learning process and method. It's about 2 months that we have implemented our new e-learning process amongst the students who are part of our this institution, and also the students who are awaiting for their exams of class 12, the board exams of them. They are also receiving the same e-learning process, and we are taking the same methods as the existing students to them. Now, talking about how do I feel about not being at my institute in this pressing time, on this difficult time. All I could say that we have faced some challenges like, first of all, I think that face-to-face communication, face-to-face communication is needed. And number two, practical task and practical work is needed for our students. When we first started this new e-learning process to our students, all these challenges, all these difficulties has been depleted. And I would like to add that when we started communicating with the class 12 students who are awaiting for their board exams, they have faced some challenges like severe anxiety awaiting for the exams they are pending, like lack of guidance. Once we started our new e-learning process to them for the class 12 students, all these difficulties, these challenges goes away, and they are very happy and they are very eager and they are very interested to do these classes. Now, talking about what is the part I miss the most about the students, and see, the entire student community is full of energy, full of enthusiasm. It's like a free spirit. So, before the lockdown, I mean, when the institute was before coronavirus lockdown, seeing them exploring their full potentials, seeing them doing their energetic work, brings a special connection with them. And I also personally feel free, energetic, and that is the part I miss the most in this lockdown situation. Now, talking about how we are helping right now in this lockdown situation, the students to keep up their lessons. You know, as I said earlier, Kingston Polytechnic College and also Kingston Education Institute has started a new e-learning process for the students, where we use the platforms like YouTube, SlideShare, Zoom app, G Classroom, Skype, Bandicam, etc. So the process is simple. First of all, we regularly upload our lecture videos or lecture capsules in YouTube. We share our lecture materials and PPTs in SlideShare. First of all, we upload these, lecture capsules in YouTube. Then share these YouTube links to WhatsApp groups, the student groups which are made. We share these links to the student group in WhatsApp. The students watches them, and then started the Q&A session in Zoom app or Skype or Bandicam, etc. After the Q&A session, we share the SlideShare link or the PPT link to the students. Then comes the assignments and the lecture materials. We share the assignments and the lecture materials in G Classroom or Google Classroom, and students can also share their feedbacks and submit their assignments on the Google Classroom systematically. Now, talking about what approach we take to help the students who are awaiting for their exams in class 12, their board exams. Now, talking about them, we take similar fashion, we take the similar way we have taken with our existing students. We have make WhatsApp groups for the exist student, also the class 12 students who are awaiting for the board exams. We first of all make YouTube lessons for them, share them into the WhatsApp group, then they watches it, then starts the Q&A session in Zoom app, then comes to the assignments in Google Classroom, and we share the study materials in Google Classroom and also SlideShare. That's it. So now the question is, what is my message to the people who are watching this video, watching my video? Well, there are two types of people who are watching my video. One, the students, two, the faculties. The message to the students is, this flow of e-learning process has been started. Those who are not been in the flow of this e-learning process, please, for your own sake, embrace it. The world is now in economic crisis. The whole world is facing some economic depression this time, and when this lockdown is lifted, you will have to upskill yourself in these difficult times. There are times when we are very busy, but we are not busy right now. We have to upskill yourself for your own sake, and when this lockdown has been lifted, you will find yourself in a position more confident than before. So don't interrupt the pursuit of gaining knowledge, pursuit of imparting knowledge on yourself for your own sakes. And my message to the faculties are, don't stop inspiring your students on these difficult times, on these difficult lockdown situations. Now, for the teachers who are trying to, educate the students who are sitting at home idly, I would like to share some of the tips our institute has implemented. Number one, you have to inspire the students from the conventional method of learning to the new e-learning process. Once this is done, the major work has been done. Number two is, use all the platforms at your disposal like YouTube, SlideShare, Zoom app, G Classroom, Skype, Bandicam, etc. Use whatever platform, use all the platforms if necessary at your disposal. Share your lecture videos in capsules in YouTube. Share your PPTs and lecture materials in SlideShare repetitively, and keep their mind occupied, keep the students' mind occupied in this e-learning process. And number three, the most important one, traditional chalk and talk method are not going to be effective in this e-learning process. In traditional chalk and talk learning process, it is boring and tiresome, right? You have to find out more ways, more innovative ways to make education more funny, more attractive to these millennial kids. You are not going to appeal those students with traditional chalk and talk method. You have to implement more interesting ways to attract their minds. On this note, I end my video, and so thank you. Bye.